All right, we're here with Joan in Warsaw, and we just finished doing a lot of ceiling and wall repairs and painting a few different rooms in our house, and we just had some questions for her. Joan, how was your experience having Matthews Painters in your home?
The experience was wonderful. Everybody showed up on time. They worked quietly and efficiently and did everything to my satisfaction.
Great, thanks. And how would you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10?
I would rate you a 10.
Awesome, thanks, Joan. And would you recommend us to friends and family?
Yes, I would. In fact, I already have.
Well, great, that's awesome. And lastly, did we do everything that we said we would do when we came out?
Yes, I do believe that you did, and probably more.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Joan.
You're